Hello, I'm Stan Stoniker with Hub Culture, and we're at New York Climate Week talking about all the great things that are happening with the clean revolution. Joining me right now is Martijn van Kalveren from the Dutch Postcode Lottery. Martijn, welcome. Nice to see you.
Thank you very much. It's very good to be here and in this exciting environment, actually. It's great.
Yes. So I know that you're with the Dutch Postcode Lottery, but I don't really know a huge amount about the role that this plays in not only helping issues around climate, but kind of society at large. I understand that it's a charitable lottery that you work for, and I'd love to know a little bit more about how it operates and what it is.
Well, we were funded 23 years ago to raise funds for charity, and that's what we do. So we sell lottery tickets, and half of the lottery prize goes to charity. And in that way, we are supporting now 85 charitable causes around the world.
So the funds are raised out of lottery ticket sales in the Netherlands,
yes,
and I suppose other countries as well. Can you buy from other countries into the Dutch lottery?
No, not really, but that's why we are also active with the postcode format in Great Britain and Sweden. So there we are raising funds for those charitable causes there as well.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about how these funds get used. What has happened from the result of these lotteries?
Well, a lot of stuff is happening because in the Netherlands alone, we raised 400 million euros last year out of the ticket sales. And with that money, we support people and planets. That's what we say. So people and planets are supported by the charitable causes, the NGOs that we support. So they know best how to spend it. We are just raising the funds.
Okay. So what kinds of organizations are you supporting with there's a huge amount of money that's going towards nonprofits and towards charity? It sounds like it must be doing a huge amount of good. Specifically, since this is Climate Week, what are you guys working on the climate front?
Well, we are supporting the climate group for sure, and we are supporting numerous other World Wildlife Fund, for example, or also in other areas we are very active. But in Holland we have this nature supporting NGOs that we are supporting, and we are supporting the Clinton Foundation and other. Well, let me see.
The list is long, right?
Yeah, well, I have to think. But we are supporting 85 charitable organizations, and there are so many of them. Anyone you can think of, actually. We are the Carbon War Room. We are co-founder of the Carbon War Room, for example. And there are numerous ones that we are supporting: Greenpeace, Sea Shepherd. We are supporting MSC, Marine Stewardship Council. All these kind of.
Do you see so you guys have a very unique position in regard to not only helping these organizations do the work that's so very important that they're doing, but I would imagine you have a very unique view across a lot of different organizations. Do you have a sense of like whether or not the movement for the clean revolution and for climate progress in general is unified? How do you see it developing over the next sort of couple of years as all these different organizations do their own individual work?
Well, what we are trying to do as a lottery is, since we are overseeing the whole lot, we are trying to have them cooperate. And that's what we did, for example, in Project Oceans, which is a project in which we had collaborating the World Wildlife Fund, Greenpeace and MSC, together working on sustainable fishing, but also having the sustainable fish brought to the market and have people asking for sustainable fish. So in that way we are trying to have the organizations work together, and also our postcode lotteries work together from the different points of views in those countries, and so we can magnify our impact.
That sounds great. So that's Martijn van Kalveren from the Dutch Postcode Lottery. I'm Stan Stoniker with Hub Culture, and this is New York Climate Week. Thank you.
And you very much, and good luck.
Thank you.